Hey, what's up YouTube fam? Brandon Weaver here once again. 5 ways to boost your credit now. 5 ways to boost your credit. First way, obviously, we've talked about here, your on-time payment history, disputing negative, nasty, erroneous items, getting them out of there, which will help with your on-time payment history if you're getting these unverified late payments, unverified charge-offs, unverified collections off of there, which leads us to number 2, right into number 2, is your credit utilization. This on-time payment history that's being brought down by these unverified charge-offs and collections and all this negative, nasty, erroneous items could also be affecting your credit utilization. That's right. These balances, there's balances with the collections, or if there's balances with the charge-offs, these negative, nasty, erroneous items could also be potentially factored in to your credit utilization. How wild is that? How, almost ridiculous is that, right? So, especially too, double check. Charge-offs and collections, if there's a collection attached to this charge-off, so you have a charge-off for, an account and it's in collections, only one of them is supposed to have a balance because the balance has been moved, right? So first and foremost, getting those negative, nasty, erroneous items off of there for your on-time payment history. Number 2, getting those negative, nasty, erroneous items off of there for your credit utilization. Also getting things to help boost that credit utilization, allowing you new credit, authorized user trade lines, your own credit cards, your own primary trade lines in your own name, yes, can help as well. So if you're starting with starter cards, or you're getting some, store cards, or you're getting some available new cards, credit builder cards, those can help as well. All right. Number three, utilizing your credit. And this is why we say this is at number 3, utilizing 3 revolving accounts. So number 3 is using 3 revolving accounts. So I've noticed for myself personally, when I was like, all right, cool, well, I'm doing good. I'm paying off my credit cards on time every single month. I'm doing well. Why do I need to use 3? Let me just use 2. And I saw the difference in my credit score. It came down. And I said, oh, what's going on? And I looked at my FICO app, and that's when I started really diving into what they're really looking for. And so utilizing 3 revolving accounts and paying those off every month can help boost your score. And that goes beyond just the credit utilization and keeping your credit down under 10%, and first keeping it under 30%. But if you can keep it under 10%, that's much more optimal. Even under 7% credit utilization can be even most optimal, and utilizing 3 revolving accounts. Okay, so number 4, how do we boost your credit, boost your score, and get it better? Those hard inquiries. That's right. So we were talking about negative, nasty, erroneous items. Disputing those hard inquiries can also be helpful. Non-account holding inquiries. Sometimes individuals will look at it and say, hey, I don't really have that many negative, nasty, erroneous non-account holding inquiries. I don't need to worry about it. I didn't go to a dealership and get my credit run a bunch, but some people have, and they didn't have authorization to run your credit 15, 20, 30 times and break down your credit score. So non-account holding inquiries can be something that you can look at. And a lot of these negative, nasty, erroneous items, collections, charge-offs, even these hard inquiries, you can dispute using the Section 609 dispute letters, which you can get at 609creditrepair.com. Get the Beyond Committed package, which has the special hard inquiry letters. Section 604 talks about permissible purpose and the hard inquiries and getting them out of there and getting these negative, nasty, erroneous items and hard inquiries and all this junk off of there. Or we can do the work for you at theawesomelifegroup.com. Really appreciate you watching the video. Please give it a thumbs up. And finally, number 5, how can you boost your credit? How can you get that up in the 700s, 800s, and all that good stuff? Here we go. I know we've talked about it before. And not just your credit history and your credit mix, but 12 revolving accounts. That's right. That's wild. It's crazy. But 12 revolving accounts. I'm not saying to go get them all at once, but over a period of time, as your credit history builds, right, and as you're keeping your credit utilization down and you're able to manage your credit, as you start getting more charge cards and credit cards and revolving accounts, 12 revolving credit cards. Now, 7 of them are supposed to be big bank cards, right? Your regular B of A's and Citis and Chase and all that stuff. 7 of them. 5 of them can be store cards. Okay, they don't have to be though. You could have all 12 regular unsecured credit cards if you want, as well as having a good mix of credit can help. This Self.Inc. is a nice secure loan, or if you've got car note or a mortgage or whatnot, that can help boost your score as well. All right, but that's like 12 revolving accounts. You're like, hey man, that's a lot. Don't feel like you got to do it all at once. You can do it over a period of time. And again, it doesn't have to be exactly 12. As you start to build up, maybe you got 5, 6, and then you start to see, oh wow, with 5 or 6 cards and utilizing 3 revolving credit cards and, you know, keeping my credit utilization down and having all these negative, nasty, erroneous items off of there, I'm at the 760, I'm in the 780, so I'm good, I'm feeling solid, I can get to what I need to with my business credit or my home or my car or my travel cards or my cashback cards or whatever it is that you're looking to do with your good credit, all right? 609creditrepair.com. We can do the work for you at theawesomelifegroup.com. Please give the video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe, try button, and until I see you in person, I will see you on the other side. Take care.